To establish a connector with Lever in Bindbee, start by accessing the Bindbee dashboard. Here, click on Create Connector. Proceed by entering relevant details about the organization for which you wish to establish a connector. For instance, in this case, we will be creating a connector for SpaceX. Select the category as ATS and provide appropriate unique ID to identify your connector with. After that, proceed to select Lever from the list that appears. Select Create Link to create a magic link. You can copy the link so generated and send it to the end customer to authorize your connector with Lever. Following this, we can view the scopes that are going to be synced from Lever. Click on Allow and Continue to proceed. An authorization page will appear where you must log in and allow access. Notice the scopes that shows the data fields to be accessed from Lever. Now we can see that the connection has been successfully established. Now, if we want to view the connector created, open the dashboard and go to Connectors. Next, click on SpaceX connector that we just created. We can see that the data is syncing from Lever. Wait till the data sync shows synced. Now we need to get the synced data in a unified format from the Bindbee APIs. To get the unified APIs, you can go to the documentation page, docs.bindbee.dev, and view the API endpoints there. Authenticating and authorizing the Bindbee APIs requires an access token from Bindbee, an X-Connector token for connector we created. To get the access token, go to the Bindbee dashboard and go the API key section. Copy the access token and paste it in the headers. Next, to get the connector token, click on Connectors, and then open the connector for which you want the data. Copy the connector token and paste it in the headers. This way, we can get data from the Bindbee APIs. You can change the endpoints according to the documentation as per your requirements.